Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, reimagined. A city where the beat of samba meets the rhythm of artificial intelligence. Where nature breathes and machines listen. By day, Rio still dazzles with golden sands, waves crashing at Copacabana. Vendors calling out and kids chasing the tide. But in the year 2050, the skies above Rio tell a new story. AI-guided sky pods float gently past the statue, offering tourists the view of a lifetime from above the clouds. At night, the beaches transform. Holographic DJs rise over the ocean. Dancers move to AI-curated beats. Above the city, transparent cable cars glide toward Sugarloaf Mountain. Families sit in awe, surrounded by 360 degrees glass, watching Rio's skyline flicker like a living circuit board. And deep within Rio's forest parks, AI companions take the form of glowing toucans, digital monkeys. In this world, technology doesn't replace nature. It uplifts it, illuminates it, reimagines it. Rio becomes a playground of the possible. But the question remains, would you choose the Rio of today, raw and real? Or the Rio of tomorrow, intelligent, immersive, infinite? Comment below. Real or future IO? And subscribe to explore the world, one AI dream at a time.